All right. Crypto Plan here. Jared, how you going? And yes, the riot is continuing and Mara has joined the party and so has ARGO Blockchain. Oh yeah, it is good. It is a good feeling to have made that big call all those weeks ago and to have sold all my growth stocks and my diversified portfolio and go all in on blockchain. I'm stoked. What a day, what a day, what a day. We are looking here at the Riot Blockchain chart, and if you look at these candles, and these are 4-hour candles since the 17th of November, what is going on? We are printing large candles. Resistance is coming in, but look at that volume there. Look at that volume. It's like a massive spike in volume. It is so good to see. And then today, massive candle again. Yes, we're kind of seeing some resistance at this upward resistance trend line, but I think we're going to flip that soon. And if we zoom out all the way out and look at what we've got to come, we've got this $7 resistance there, which we're right on now. Once we break through that, we've got maybe somewhere around the 750s, but after that, we're going to the moon, baby, and the party is really going to get kicking. Marathon Patent Group, the same. Volume is just going off the wall. And candles are just being printed. What is that? Like a 13% candle in a 4-hour. And we're on 22% for the day. ARGO Blockchain, the same. We're just steadily climbing. I mean, this is on the London Stock Exchange, so there's probably not as much FOMO as the US stock market, and it's an OTC stock, but yeah, it's still just steadily going up. People are getting into that baby, and look, once again, the recent volume is just huge. People are just getting on board, and once again with ARGO Blockchain, once it breaks that 1094 mark, it is price discovery moon time. I am so happy. This is the right thing. If you're in these blockchain mining related stocks, it is the right time to be in. It's just like being in a great gold miner that's done all the drilling in the ground and they are pulling out gold one truck at a time, because that's what these guys are doing. They are mining Bitcoins on a quarterly basis and they are pumping them into the market, and the market is willing to pay top dollar for that at the moment. And if these price predictions of $70,000 $150,000 or even $300,000 actually happen over this year, these stocks are going to go nuts. Now, yes, you need to have an exit plan. You need to know when to sell out. For me, Riot, if it hits that 45 and pushes on above that, that's when I'm definitely selling half of everything I got, just to go, well, the rest is play money. I mean, I've already made a lot on my money, but yeah, once I sell out that little bit, it's play money. Marathon, same deal again. Once we hit 52 there, 50 odd, definitely going to sell a little bit out. I might even sell a little bit around the 25s, depending on how things go. I'll make the call on the day just to kind of maybe take profits for my initial investment and then just ride the wave to the moon. ARGO Blockchain, we just don't know. This is a cool one for me. Like, it's probably my smallest bag. It's a lot harder to buy this one. Your orders don't always go through. But yeah, once we're out past that 10, who knows? It could go to £1. It could go to £2. You just never know. Like, with these kind of small cap stocks with no price history going into price discovery. So that I'd hold on to this one and just see what it does. But yeah, the question is, where do they land after this? Does the Bitcoin bull run continue for a couple of years and they retrace and keep going? So I guess the key is just to watch it on a day by day basis. But right now we are breaking out. I hope you liked my video a little bit earlier, and you can like and subscribe this one, but it's talking about the altcoin season. The altcoin season is here. Money is flooding out of somewhere, whether it be other growth stocks or people's savings or whatever, but it's flooding heavily into these markets right now, these cryptocurrency markets. So, oh man, what a great day. I just had to share that with you. This is such a short little video just to be super bullish on these stocks. Now, I wouldn't by any means, and I'm going to switch back over to the day chart. just to have a look and see what the RSI is doing now. Riot, so Riot's just breaking above this resistance line here of 615, and pushing on upwards. So it's showing that it's overbought. So it's probably not the best time to get in. If there's a retracement of another 10%, maybe get in then. Marathon Patent Group, now it's showing overbought. There's definitely a gap here. It's gone up very quickly today. Once again, if there's a retracement, there's still that little bit of upside to that local high, right? So there's still 22% there. So if that retraced 10% before it made its next move up, yeah, I'd probably think about buying a little bit more. But, at the moment, I'm happy with my bags, and I'm happy just to watch the price action, but not financial advice. But if I was going to get into one of these right now, it would be Mara. If you're in the London Stock Exchange, once again, ARGO Blockchain, would I buy it now? Probably not. But if there was a small dip, maybe. And you never know if you're willing to take that gamble right now, knowing that we are in the Bitcoin bull run. And just kind of look to double down on your money. You could throw something in there and hope that it keeps on pushing up past that 10 pence and onwards. So, yeah, not financial advice, just saying that everything is moving very quickly right now. And if you want to get in, maybe just wait a day or two and see if there's a pullback in the middle of the week before things really take off. But, can't tell you what to do. You've got to take your own risks, and these are very speculative plays. And just happy that these speculative plays are paying off for me right now, and everyone else that has done that. So if you did buy Riot and you have bought Mara and you have bought ARGO Blockchain, I would love to hear your stories. I'd love to hear your cost bases and where you're at and what you're thinking and where you want to get out, because as a community we've got to help each other out, right? So that's something we could do together. So peace for now, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.